Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to remove lock screen on an Android phone. Over here I am using a Samsung Galaxy device, but regardless of the type of Android phone you have, whether it's a Redmi phone, a Google Pixel, OnePlus, Nothing phone, by the end of this video you should be able to remove your lock screen password, pin or pattern. First things first, you want to go ahead and unlock your Android phone with the password, pin or pattern. In my case it is a pattern, so I'll just unlock it with the current password, pin or pattern. And then you want to head over to the settings application. You can either search for the settings application from the list of apps on your device, or you can just swipe down through the control center and you're going to see the settings icon at the top right. Just go ahead and tap on it. From the settings, you want to scroll all the way down until you find the lock screen and AOD option. If you cannot find the lock screen and AOD option, in some Android phones it is called the Face ID, biometrics and screen lock, usually for Redmi phones. Once you find it, just go ahead and tap on it, and just at the top you're going to see your current lock screen type, which is either a password, pin or pattern, as you can see from the top over here, and mine is currently turned on. So to turn it off, you want to go ahead and select that particular option that is on the lock screen option, and you'll be required to enter your password, pin or pattern, that is your current password, pin or pattern. Once you enter it as well, you're now going to see the option to either turn it off by selecting on the none, or even set it to swipe, whichever one you want. In my case, I'll just set it to none, and then just tap on the remove at the bottom over here, click on remove, and you're good to go. So now if I turn off my Android phone and then just try to open it up, you can see that I am no longer required to enter my lock screen password, pin or pattern. And I hope this was helpful guys. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel.